Hello everyone, this is Bilal Ahmed. I am working as an assistant professor in School of Law at Gurugram University. The School of Law offers two courses. One is the bachelor's course, BBA LLB Honours, which is an integrated course and the duration is 5 years. And second is the master's program, that's the LLM course, and specializations available are human rights and corporate law. I'll be today explaining the admission procedure, which is very simple. Our admission process starts in the month of March every year, and online application forms are available on our official website, that's the www.ncindia.edu. Every candidate who desires to apply in our university has to visit that website and apply online, fill all necessary details and upload all necessary documents and submit the form by paying the registration fee as specified there. Then there is certain eligibility criteria as well for separate two courses. As far as BBA LLB Honours is concerned, a candidate must have scored 50% marks in 10+2 and 50% marks in the subject of English. As far as 50% in English is required, actually the reason for the same is that the profession of advocacy is the official language, we can say, is the English. That's why we consider those students who have scored 50% marks in the subject of English. Further, a candidate must have appeared in any competitive exam, that's a CLAT, LSAT or IELTS, which is a mandatory, and those students who have not appeared in such exams have to face the NCU test, which will be scheduled in the month of June, and the students will be informed accordingly. Further, if at any point of time a student is facing any issue while filing the application form online, the candidates can contact the admission cell and on the helpline numbers which are provided on the official website. Or the student can also come in person to visit the campus on all working days from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the admission team is there ready to help you. So when it comes to the Masters in Law, the eligibility criteria is 50% in a graduate program from any recognized university. That's a very simple process to be followed, and I hope this information serves your purpose, and thanks a lot for spending the time with us.